be building a mini toy shelf with Jenga blocks.
But I thought we're gonna show how to play Jenga.
I just told you a minute ago that we are gonna build a mini toy shelf. So, first of all, we're gonna take 3 Jenga blocks facing like this.
To our viewers.
We're gonna need to take 4 more Jenga blocks with us. So then we could create the beams, the support beams.
Another one over here.
And another one over there.
Should we keep it like this or like this?
Like this. Oopsie daisies. Okay, now put it.
Ta-da! Is that good?
Yeah, no. That fell. God. This is gonna take a while, isn't it? We're just gonna do the power of magic to finish this up. Okay, done. That is not magic, but
Is it finished?
no. You go, this is shelf, this is just something. Okay. Now we're gonna take 2 more Jenga blocks and put it on top of this like this.
Oh, I know. And this one will go up here.
Yeah. Oh my god, why is that? Why does that look so wrong? So now we're gonna take 2 more Jenga blocks, or we're gonna start making a leaf-shaped pattern going up to the. Push that in. Oh my god, this is gonna take some time. We're gonna need magic right now. The magic of speed. Okay, right? Okay, we're gonna be done with our first shelf. There you go.
Now we can keep the toys in now.
No! Shelf number 1 acquired.
But this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3.
No.
By the way, how is that balancing? That's my only question.
I do not know. The laws of physics or something? Or the laws of gravity. Now we're gonna do the same thing up and up. I don't know how much blocks we're gonna need to do this. So
Maybe let's just copy this one like
yes, I know. We're gonna do that.
Here are 2 more.
And we go up.
This is becoming higher and higher.
It's becoming high that I'm gonna need to stand up to do this.
Oopsies, don't fall, don't fall! I'm gonna help you. That's actually good.
Bruh.
Oops. We need to put this over here. Can we do it?
Finally, I got this thing up.
It looks so cool.
That's going good, it's going good. I swear, as long as I say it's going good, it's just gonna fall. No, please don't fall. Don't fall, I came this far. I came this far! Phew. Where's the last one?
Wait a second. Where is it? Oh.
Yes! Yes! Okay, now it's time to put the toys in.
We're gonna put it.
So we're gonna put our toys.
The water princess is already done. The crown and the end. The sister of the water princess.
No, that is a water queen. So we finally finished it. This is the final result. I loved everything about this. From the design to the whole structure. It's really
My
good.
mind is still connecting how this, and that is still holding up. Look at this. There is nothing over here. I don't want to touch it or else it's gonna fall.
Yeah, and these two are supporting it, which is seriously mind-boggling and pretty cool. So we hope to see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe to show your support. Bye!
Bye.
Peace!